Hello everyone. In this session we will study about dictionary data type in Python. We have already completed list, tuple, set and now this is the time to explore dictionary data type. Okay. First we will understand what is a dictionary. Dictionary means key value pairs. It's not like other data types which contains only one value. It is like every value must have a key. See this one. Here name John. Gender colon male. That means name is the key here. John is the value. Gender is the key. And the value against gender is male. Okay, so dictionary data type means it will always contain a key value pairs. Okay, now let's see how we can create an empty dictionary. Suppose if I write nothing inside this and I try to print the type is dictionary. Do you remember while studying the set, we saw that the curly braces by default indicates dictionary data type. But if we put any value inside it, then it will become set. But if I give key value pairs like this one, then it will become dictionary. Okay. So what is the difference with other data type? Other data types contain only single value, but dictionary has always a key value pair. It's just like our own dictionary where you try to find meaning of any word. So the same concept is applied here also. Mike is the value against the keyword 3. Okay. Now how we can create dictionary using the dict function? Just like other list function, tuple function, set function, the same way we can use the dict function to create a dictionary. Same the dictionary will be created. Clear? Next, one-dimensional dictionary. One-dimensional dictionary means each entry will consist only one key value pairs. Here, the value against name is John. The value against gender is male. So this is a one-dimensional dictionary. If I try to print, then the dictionary will be printed. Okay, but it is not necessary that key will be consisted of only one value. It may hold more than one values, like 1, 2, 3. Here, this is the key, and the value against the key is 1. World, the value against hello is world. Okay, so this is also another way by which you can create a dictionary where key can contain more than one value. Okay, now next two-dimensional dictionary, that is dictionary within a dictionary. Similar concept. See this one. Here John is the value against the key name. Now Calcutta University is the value against the key college. 4 is the value, key is same. Now within subject there is one more dictionary. 50 against DSA. Maths 67. English 34. So here the marks are shown in a different dictionary which is within another dictionary. So this is a two-dimensional dictionary. Clear? Okay. Now another way to declare a dictionary using the dict function. So what will happen? See, name John, age 32, 3, 3. John is the value, name is the keyword. 32 is the value, age is the keyword. 3 is the value, and 3 is the keyword. So this is also another way by which you can create any dictionary. Now tell me what will be the output for this one. We have similar key, name, but values are different. Then what will happen? Will it show an error? What do you think? Let me show you. It will be just replaced. So the updated one will be replaced. If I write again name, sorry, name, and then I write Peter, then what do you think the output will be? See, it will not show any error. It will just replace with the updated value if the keywords are same. Okay. Now tell me what will be the output of this one. Simple, the dictionary will be printed. Now tell me about this one. How we can access any values of dictionary. Suppose I want to access the value 26. How can I do this? If I write in this way, id within third bracket, and inside the third bracket, if I provide the key, then 26 will be fetched. Let me show you. 26 is fetched. Okay. If we write dot get and suppose I give name. Name is the keyword. Now if I run it, then Jack will be printed. Clear? So in this way, by using the third bracket or by using the get function, we can access any value of the dictionary. Now suppose one dictionary is created. I want to add one more key value pair. Here see, I have created a dictionary. Now I want to add gender also. So I will just write D4 within the third bracket, the keyword, and then I write the value, then it will be simply added. See, it is also added. So this is the way you can add any value to the dictionary after it is created. Okay, now tell me how I can access the value John. You have already learned. Now if I write S of name, the John will be printed. Clear? Now suppose I want to access 50. How can I do this? For that, I have to first go to the subjects. If I write subjects, then this whole dictionary will be printed. Let me show you. Clear? But I want 50. Then I have to access DSA also. So if I write within third bracket DSA, now see the value against the DSA, that is within the subject dictionary, will be printed. So this is the way you can access 2D dictionary. Concepts are similar. This is the way we used to access 2D list, 2D tuple, 2D set. Same. Okay. Now if I want to add something, suppose I want to give that for DS 75 marks. Then how can I do it? Just this one. First I have to go to the subjects. Now I can write the new key value pair I want to add, DS equal to 75. So 75 will be added. Now if I try to print the S, it will be printed. Let me show you. Here see DS 75. Okay, so you got it, that how we can access a dictionary and how we can add something to the dictionary. Okay, now how we can remove something from the dictionary. Suppose here I have taken a dictionary, name John, age 32, gender male, word 72. I want to delete this key value pair. How can I do this? You remember the pop function. If I write d.pop age, then the age key value pair will be deleted. Clear? Now if I write pop item function, then what will happen? It will just delete the last one. So the last one was word 72, that is deleted. Clear? If you give pop and pass any value, then that particular key value pair will be deleted. If you write pop item and pass no value, then the last one will be pop. Okay. And if I want to delete the same concept, del keyword, del d name, then name will be deleted. So only this one is remain. If I write del d, then the whole dictionary will be deleted. Clear? Clear function you remember? The difference between delete and clear. Delete deletes the dictionary and clear clears the values of the dictionary. So if I write d dot clear, then the dictionary will be remaining but the values will be deleted. Okay. So we have already understood how to create a dictionary, how to access the values of a dictionary, how to add something to the dictionary, how to delete something, and how to modify. Okay. Now next, tell me what will be the output of this one. The same dictionary I have taken, two-dimensional dictionary. First I have accessed subject, that means now we are here. Now I have accessed maths, that means 67 is the value. Now if I write this line, then what will be the output? It's simple, math 67 will be deleted. See here, DSA 50 is there, English 34 is there, but maths is deleted. Okay. Now tell me, what will be the output of this one? We have just learned Subject DSA 80. So 50 will be replaced by 80. So this will update the dictionary. Okay. Now tell me about this one. What will be the output? Name in is in operator. You remember? Membership operator. So name in S means whether name key is in the dictionary or not. That is true. Yes, name key is there. Okay, so we can apply membership operator in any dictionary. Same way you can use not in. Just try it by yourself. Okay. Now we can iterate any dictionary. Just like we can iterate on other data types like list, tuple. Same way I can iterate for I in D printer. That means every key value pair will be iterated and it will be printed. Name, gender, age. Okay. Now next, what are the basic functions that can be applied on dictionary? Len function, you remember we have studied 1,000 times. This will give us the length of the dictionary. Length is 3, name 1, gender 2, age 3. Okay. Max function, you remember max function will give us the maximum value. Maximum by which? By ASCII code value. Here A, G, N. N has the maximum ASCII value. Similar way, minimum means age sorted, age, gender, name as per the ASCII value. The key will be sorted. Okay. Now the question is how I can access the key, how I can access the value, and how I can access the both. Okay, let me show you one by one. Here, if I write d dot items, see what happens. The complete dictionary is printed. Okay, now let me show you print d dot keys. Keys means the keys will be printed. Name, gender, male. Okay. Now if I write d dot values, then what will happen? Then the values will be printed. Then what will happen? Then the values will be printed. John, male 33. You get my point? If you want the keys, you have to write d dot keys. If you want the values, you have to write d dot dictionary name dot values. But if you want the both, then you have to use items. This is important. Always try to keep it in your mind. Keys, values, items. Clear? Now update a dictionary. There are two dictionary, D1 and D2. Now I want to update this. So if I write D1 dot update function and then D2. See what happens. D1 will be updated. Let me print D1. Now let's see. D1 will be updated. So D1 was already there and the values of D2 will also be updated to D1. Now tell me one thing. If I print D2, then what will happen? D2 will remain the same because here we are updating the D1. By which? By with the values of D2. Clear? If I write the opposite one like D2 dot update D1 and then I try to print D2, then D2 will be updated. See? Clear? Now next understand what is a dictionary comprehension. We have already studied list, tuple, set, the same concept. Let me tell you with an example. First understand the syntax, key expression, value expression, a for loop. Now I want to print 10 numbers and their squares. So how can I do it? First the key expression, that is the key value, that is 10 numbers 1 to 10. So I. Next value expression, I want to square. So I square 2. Next for loop. Range function will generate 10 numbers. For loop will start from 1 to 10. It will take every value, put in the dictionary and square up the value. So a complete dictionary will be created. Okay. Key is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and the value is 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 16 to 100. Okay. So we have completed almost everything related to dictionary data type in Python. The concepts are same, just applied on a different data type. Okay. Now summarize the whole thing. What are the characteristics? First, this is mutable. You remember list is mutable or immutable? Mutable, tuple, immutable, set, mutable, dictionary, mutable. So all are mutable except tuple. Clear? Mutable means can add, can modify, can delete, can change even after it is created. For tuple we cannot do, but for others we can. Clear? Second is unique key value pairs, that is different from other set. Other sets are consist of single value, it consists of key value pair. Every key has an its associated value. Okay, and keys must be unique. If you use duplicate keys, what will happen? You have already seen that keys will be updated with the new value. Okay, now the next one is flexible key types. That means key can be anything. Key can be a string, key can be a number, key can be a tuple, key can consist of one value, key can consist of more than one value. How to access the key? By giving the keys. How to access the value? By using the values. How to access the both? By using item. Different kind of basic functions can be applied. Create a dictionary comprehension. Okay. So we have almost completed everything related to dictionary. Okay. So we'll meet in our next video. Till then, bye. Happy learning.